Mexico.
Hey, what's up internet, and welcome to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. It is day number 3 here on our 5-night Carnival Firenze, Mexico cruise. We have arrived here to our very first port of call, and I gotta say, these views, this scenery, absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a tender port, so we are going to head on down right now to deck number 0, get on a water shuttle, and head on to land and start our day here in Cabo. Alright, we have now made it here to land and are actually heading back on a boat because we are about to go do a boat tour, get up close and personal with the arch, the world famous arch here in Cabo San Lucas.
Beach. We call Black Coral Beach. Okay? That beach is a public. We come in a local people. Hey, to my left side, that is a much popular, we call Medano Beach. That is the area, the resort and the restaurant too, okay? This area. Okay, now we want to see the fish, maybe. Oh my goodness. Check behind you. Check behind you, people. Oh, check behind you. Check behind you. Oh, Mexico. Kidding. Be careful, we call our Mexican bananas. Okay, this side we call a Sea of Cortez. When the people here around that beach, he walk to the middle, we stay in the Pacific. And then we have different names. This side we call Lovers Beach, and the other side we call Divorce Beach. When the people here around that beach, we recommend all the time you can swim in this side, not to the Pacific. Okay? Go. Hey, that is the famous arch. Hey, you see the Scooby-Doo rock?
Do we go close to the ark?
That's it. You have money? the guy
charge?
Sí.
¿Cuánto?
Mire. And this rock we divided to ocean.
Okay.
When we pass the little rock, we stay in the Pacific. To my left side, that is the Sea of Cortez. The Pelican, we divided to ocean. Today we have low tide. When we have high tide, you see the black mark on the rock. The white is flash right there. Wow. Black eye.
Nice.
Hey.
Nice.
Amiga, Mexican massage. Hey. How many people we around the beach?
Alright, back now from our arch boat tour, and I gotta say that tour was so much fun. It was a pretty comprehensive but brief 45-minute tour. We actually booked it just as we got off the ship. Now, a tour like that on Carnival actually goes for about $50. We paid $15 for 5 people, and overall got some gorgeous views, had a really solid tour, and now we're gonna go and explore the rest of the port area and all the other shops and restaurants here nearby. We walk further down the marina to get to the Captain Tony's restaurant here and take a look at all of this delicious and tasty food we just finished up. I had these super good carne asada tacos on flour tortillas with guacamole salsa, and let me tell you, that carne asada was some of the best carne asada I've ever had. It was so full of flavor, so juicy, and the guacamole just complemented it all. Certainly built up quite an appetite. Time right now is about 1:10, and we are going to continue exploring. There's a lot of music going on here. Now on board Carnival Firenze, and I made my way up here to the jogging track. Just finished up a 5K 3.11 mile run with this beautiful view of Cabo San Lucas. The sun here about to set. The weather here warm but nice and breezy, what I call perfect running weather. I ran around this track, I want to say, at least 20-30 times, you know, just a mad rush. This is what my running map looks like here as I track my run, but overall feeling great. We've been eating a lot, and this is my attempt at trying to burn off the 8 meals a day that we've been eating. And now that we have some time to kill, we are still here docked at Cabo and still waiting for dinner. Carnival Waterworks is right over here, and this is probably going to be the warmest day that we have so far this week, so I think it's time for us to go check out all of those slides there. Definitely some really fun family slides. Nothing super intense, super thrilling. The lines were super manageable. I got on in, you know, 2-3 minutes. Now, I will say, to be honest, I did get stuck on 2 of the 3 slides, and so I had to scoot and inch my way down. But all in all, it was a lot of fun. Definitely a good time to go because it has been so cold this week, and so today actually is the warmest day. But also, I just want to walk back over here and show you beautiful, beautiful sunset over Cabo San Lucas. Look at that right there. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful, and you know, just can't get over these amazing and scenic views here. But now I've built up quite the appetite, so I'm probably gonna eat again. Alright, so I did just finish that sandwich at that sandwich shop, but it is now about an hour later, and it is dinner time here at the Michelangelo restaurant. Performance that was here at this dinner. Definitely was not expecting that, and always love twirling those napkins around, having some fun. But we just finished our dinner here in the Michelangelo restaurant, and as always, I am in a food coma. Lots of great food. Started off with some really great appetizers. A couple options here that I had: the spaghetti carbonara, one of my favorites, as well as this Hawaiian shrimp poke. Now for my entree, I went with this roast beef sirloin, cooked to perfection, medium rare, as I always prefer it. And finally, for my dessert, had this cappuccino pâte de crème, no sugar added to, which was a plus.
Now, if you don't get called on stage, don't worry. You're still going to win surprises by making matches with your card and the card on the screen. So go ahead, purchase those cards. Sit back, relax. We're going to get started in just 15 minutes at 9:30.
All right, we have now made our way here to the Teatro Rosso, also known as the main theater here on Firenze, because the Deal or No Deal show is about to kick off. This is one of my favorite shows, favorite games to play on a Carnival ship. We played this on Carnival Celebration, played it on Carnival Panorama, and now we're here playing it on the Firenze. Here's a look at the card pricing for Deal or No Deal. We went with this 6 for $60 option, and fingers crossed, hopefully get up on stage as a contestant and win big.
Welcome to the Teatro Rosso Theatre, and welcome to Deal or No Deal. Are we feeling lucky tonight? I hope so. The louder you are, the luckier you are. You taking a deal will not affect the audience's game. They will continue to open the cases to make those matches, so don't feel any extra pressure from our audience team members. That was a devastating round. I do not blame you after that round. That was quite a hit. We want to cover the cases, cover the cost of the game. All right, he's very serious now. He has still got the penny and the 25 cents, which he always relies on. 900? $900. Hello? Hello? He's from the movie. Didn't like that. Did not like that. All right. 75, 125. Ooh, it's dropped. 216. We're taking a deal. That is a wise decision, Tommy. $216. Congratulations, my love. That is coming your way. Give it up for Tommy, everybody. For $216, that is worth 1 penny. Open case 13. What is in 13? It's the $5, which means in case number 5 the entire time was 1 penny. What an amazing deal that was. Congratulations, Tommy. That means you just sold a case worth 1 penny for 200 and on your wonderful cruise together. And it looks like we are where we are with the audience leaderboard. Aiden has got the $200. If you won the $50, then that will go automatically onto your selling sign card.
Alright, Deal or No Deal just finished up, and I gotta say, that was probably the best game I've ever played. We won the $30 casino fun play, but we actually got it on 3 of the 6 cards for a total of $90, so definitely an impressive win considering the cards were $60. Now, while Deal or No Deal is over, we are heading to our final event of the evening, and that is the 80s Rock and Glow Party happening on the Lido deck, one of my favorite events here on Carnival Cruises. And if I may seem out of breath, it is because I have not taken the elevator a single time since being on the ship, and we're on day 3. Trying to get those calories burnt, considering all the calories eaten this evening and all week and all the other days coming up. Oh, Oh my god, what a fun and amazing 80s rock and glow party that was. Definitely the perfect way to end off our jam-packed day in Cabo San Lucas. Of course, we got a full sea day coming up tomorrow, which will be even more jam-packed. Make sure to look out for that, and of course for our Ensenada day right after that as well. And of course, I also have my embarkation day video up on my channel right now. You'll definitely want to check that out. And if you did like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below, and I will see you next time right here on Carnival Firenze.
Bye.